some degree, that's what exists now, but it's not an additive process where, right, so if I go here and I want to do the monitoring template for all devices, for all workstations, I will, I can add in my default workstation template here for all devices that I add. If I then drill down into a customer level, then I can set it to a different workstation default template. But basically what that does is it overrides what the MSP level setting is, or it can inherit it. So whatever the parent level, the level up one is doing, it can inherit it, or it can override it. So the idea of having it be sort of multiple tiers, so I have a general, all of my customers get these checks, and then these customers also get these checks, and then these sites, in addition to those, also get these checks, that sort of additive process. You would have to do that in the individual templates themselves. It's not the sort of thing where there's a customer level template that gets applied and then a site level on top of it. It either inherits the one from its parent, or it overrides it with one that is more specific. Yeah, you'd want to, if you'd want to merge the two, you'd have to do that as part of generating the customer level or the site level templates themselves. It would be very useful to be able to add multiple monitoring templates to different groups in an additive way, similar to how group policy templates are applied in Active Directory. I agree, it would be helpful to be able to do that. The best alternative to that for your RMM customers would be something along the lines of when you apply a monitoring template, say to a site, you can do, obviously you can do the default template for that site, but then you can either apply to the entire site or to a subset of devices. You can apply them, apply multiple templates at the same time, and they basically are, in that case, an additive process. So it's adding in each of the checks and tasks that are unique to that template, sort of building up a combination, and then wherever they conflict, you'll have the more specific. Trying to see where the hierarchy exists here. When you're adding something to an existing customer, you have the choice to either replace or just replace the ones that that overlap. But if you have multiple templates at the same time and they overlap, I'm not sure what the logic is for sort of conflict resolution there. But the idea of being able to add in multiple templates at the same time, you can do that. Unfortunately, is not like it's not an automated process where you can say, as I said before, the first level gets level 1 template, the second level gets level 2, and so on. RMM's focus is more on simplicity and ease of use, as opposed to complexity and customization in that regard.